Welcome to the Coding Success Series on how to become a software engineer, where I can take you from 0 to 60 in becoming a software engineer and ready to take on any project and land that six-figure job. Join my channel for more tips, tricks, ideas, and tutorials on how to best leverage your time to become a developer. Today, we begin that journey, so let's go. By the way, if you like what you see and hear, like and subscribe so you don't miss anything on building your career as a software engineer.
Welcome back, fellow coding enthusiasts. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss: Bootcamps Decoded, 10 excellent options for beginner software developers. If you're an aspiring software developer looking to kickstart your career, this video is tailor-made for you. We'll be decoding the top bootcamp options that can catapult you towards success. So, let's dive right in. Before we delve into the top bootcamp options, let's first understand why bootcamps are an excellent choice for beginner software developers. Bootcamps offer immersive, intensive learning experiences designed to equip you with the practical skills needed in the industry. They provide a focused and structured curriculum, mentorship, and real-world projects. Moreover, bootcamps often have strong industry connections, making them a valuable stepping stone into the tech world. Now that we know the benefits of bootcamps, let's talk about the key criteria to consider while choosing the right one for you. These include the curriculum, instructor quality, alumni success stories, job placement rates, duration and flexibility, support and mentorship, and the overall reputation of the bootcamp. By evaluating these factors, you can make an informed decision that aligns with your goals and aspirations. Here comes the exciting part. We've curated a list of 10 excellent bootcamp options for beginner software developers. Remember, this list is based on thorough research and positive reviews from the industry. Let's dive into each bootcamp and explore what makes them stand out. 1. General Assembly. General Assembly is a renowned bootcamp known for its comprehensive curriculum, focusing on both front-end and back-end development. With highly experienced instructors and a supportive learning environment, General Assembly offers a well-rounded education. 2. Flatiron School. Flatiron School prides itself on its flexible learning options, allowing students to choose between on-campus or remote learning. The bootcamp has a strong network of industry partners, providing students with valuable connections and internship opportunities. 3. App Academy. App Academy differentiates itself by emphasizing project-based learning, enabling students to apply their skills to real-world scenarios. With a dedicated career services team, App Academy has an excellent job placement rate, ensuring that graduates have a smooth transition into the workforce. 4. Hack Reactor. Hack Reactor is known for its rigorous curriculum and immersive learning experience. The bootcamp places a strong emphasis on problem-solving and collaboration, preparing students for the demands of real-world software development. 5. Springboard. Springboard offers a flexible, mentor-led learning experience that allows students to learn at their own pace. With industry professionals as mentors, Springboard provides personalized guidance and support throughout the program. 6. Thinkful. Thinkful is a bootcamp that stands out for its emphasis on building practical skills through hands-on projects and industry-relevant curriculum. With a focus on career readiness, Thinkful prepares students for success in the job market. 7. Coding Dojo. Coding Dojo offers a comprehensive curriculum that covers multiple programming languages and frameworks. The bootcamp provides a supportive learning environment and emphasizes problem-solving and critical thinking skills. 8. Galvanize. Galvanize is known for its immersive bootcamp experience and its strong focus on building a robust portfolio of projects. With a network of industry partners, Galvanize helps students make valuable connections and gain real-world experience. 9. The Software Guild. The Software Guild is a bootcamp that offers in-depth training in various programming languages and frameworks. With small class sizes and dedicated instructors, the bootcamp provides a personalized learning experience for students. 10. Full Stack Academy. Full Stack Academy is recognized for its rigorous curriculum and focus on full-stack web development. The bootcamp places an emphasis on industry collaboration and provides students with opportunities to work on real-world projects. Now that we've explored the 10 excellent bootcamp options, it's time for some final thoughts and recommendations. Remember, everyone's learning style and career goals are unique, so make sure to choose a bootcamp that aligns with your specific needs. Research each option thoroughly, read student testimonials, and even consider reaching out to alumni for insights. That wraps up today's video on Bootcamps Decoded, 10 excellent options for beginner software developers. We hope this information has given you valuable insights and helped you narrow down your bootcamp choices. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on coding and software development. If you have any questions or want to share your bootcamp experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. We love hearing from our community. Until next time, happy coding and best of luck to you on your journey to becoming a successful software developer.